and the monkeys. Once upon a time, there was a cap seller who used to sell colorful caps in different villages. Every day he carried a basket full of caps on his head and walked from one town to another. One hot afternoon, he was feeling very tired. He decided to rest under a big shady tree in the forest. He put his basket of caps beside him and soon he fell fast asleep. When he was sleeping, a group of naughty monkeys came down from the trees. They were very curious. They saw the caps in the basket and got excited. One by one, the monkeys took out the caps and wore them on their heads. Some wore red caps, some green, and some blue. They looked very funny. After some time, the cap seller woke up and looked around. Oh no, he cried, my caps are gone. Then he looked up and saw all the monkeys sitting on the branches wearing his caps and laughing at him. He shouted, hey, give me my caps back. But the monkeys only imitated him. When he shouted, they shouted too. When he waved his hands, they waved back. Cap seller didn't know what to do. Suddenly he remembered something his grandfather once told him. Monkeys copy human actions. So he got an idea. He took off his own cap and threw it down on the ground. Seeing this, all the monkeys copied him. They took off their caps and threw them down too. The cap seller quickly collected all the caps, put them back in the put them back in his basket and smiled. He said, thank you, little monkeys, and continued his journey. Moral: clever thinking can solve any problem. Keep calm and use your brain in difficult situations. Thank you for watching.